Most people overpay for products like this. Here's why this one is different. If you've been shopping around for a seated row machine that actually holds up without breaking the bank, this Body Solid Pro Clubline LVSRB might be exactly what you need. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. I've tested a bunch of home gym equipment over the years, and a lot of them feel flimsy or end up squeaking after a few months. But this one? It's built like a tank. The frame is solid steel, and the seat adjusts smoothly without wobbling. I've used it for everything from light rehab work to heavy back days, and it never budges. That's a big deal if you're serious about strength training but don't want to drop gym membership fees. You know, one of the most frustrating things about working out at home is when your equipment lets you down. You're in the middle of an intense workout, and suddenly the machine starts creaking or the weights start clanking. It's not only annoying, but it can also be a safety hazard. But with the Body Solid Pro Clubline LVSRB, you don't have to worry about that. This thing is rock solid, and it can handle whatever you throw at it. I've had it in my home gym for a while now, and I've put it through its paces. I've used it with my friends, my family, and even with some of my clients, and it still looks and feels like new. The paint job is still perfect, the steel is still rust-free, and the moving parts still glide smoothly. It's clear that the manufacturer has put a lot of thought into designing a machine that can withstand heavy use. One thing I really like about this machine is how it targets your back muscles naturally. The lever arms are biomechanically engineered, so you're not straining your shoulders or wrists just to move the handles. I've found it great for improving posture, especially if you sit at a desk all day. You know, when you're sitting for long periods, your back muscles can start to weaken, and that can lead to all sorts of problems, from back pain to poor posture. But with this machine, you can strengthen those muscles and improve your overall posture. The motion feels controlled, and you can really feel the lats and rhomboids working. It's not one of those machines where you're just going through the motions, you actually feel it in the right places. Another thing worth mentioning is the plate-loaded design. Unlike selectorized machines where you're stuck with fixed weights, this one lets you load up exactly what you need. That's perfect if you're progressing in strength or sharing the machine with someone stronger. I've used it with everything from 10-pound plates to 45s, and the weight stacks smoothly without jamming. The adjustment is quick too, just pop in your plates and you're ready to go. This is a huge advantage over other machines, because it means you can customize your workout to your exact needs. You can start with lighter weights and gradually increase the load as you get stronger, which is perfect for progressive overload. The seat height adjusts easily with a simple pull pin, so it fits different leg lengths without a struggle. I've had machines where the adjustment was either too stiff or too loose, but this one hits the sweet spot. It's one of those small details that makes a big difference in comfort, especially during longer sets. And the padded seat and backrest are thick enough to keep you comfortable even after a long session. You know, when you're working out, the last thing you want to worry about is discomfort. You want to be able to focus on your form, your breathing, and your movement, without distraction. This machine makes that possible, because it's designed to keep you comfortable and supported throughout your entire workout. I also appreciate that it's suitable for all fitness levels. Whether you're just starting out or you've been lifting for years, the motion is smooth and the resistance is consistent. I've seen beginners use it to build strength safely, and advanced lifters use it for high-volume back work. The range of motion is good too, you can pull all the way back without feeling cramped. This is a great feature, because it means that anyone can use this machine, regardless of their fitness level. You can start with lighter weights and gradually increase the load as you get stronger, which makes it perfect for progressive overload. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but I don't have a lot of space in my home gym. Well, the good news is that this machine is actually pretty compact, considering its durability and versatility. Overall, this is a solid piece of equipment for anyone looking to build a home gym without sacrificing quality. It's durable, versatile, and actually feels like it's built to last. If you've been on the fence about investing in a seated row machine, this one's worth considering. It's a great addition to any home gym, and it's perfect for anyone who wants to take their fitness to the next level. Link is below if you want to check it out.